Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. This time I will teach you how to use green screen in Alight Motion or how to use Chroma Key. 1. How to add a green background in Alight Motion. At first, open Alight Motion and add a shape or import a green background. If you have added a shape, change the color to green and feed the screen the shape. There are only 4 background colors in Alight Motion. How to use Chroma Key, erase a green screen. Import a video or image. Then go to Effects and add an effect, Chroma Key. Threshold will be at 0.1000. High and up the threshold to get better effect.